Hi guys, let's check the Ocean View Suite in Discovery Coron. We got this room for 25,600 pesos during the PTAA Travel Tour Expo last February. So, malaking savings siya since pag regular rate, it's around 29,000 plus. So, 4,000 din ang savings mo. So, it includes daily breakfast, and aside from that, you have 2,000 resort credits per night. So, meron kang all in all 4,000 resort credits that you can use for dining. And ang maganda pa dito, kasama na yung transport from the airport to Discovery Coron. So, kasi masyadong mahaba yung biyahe from airport to Discovery Coron. It's around 1 hour. From the airport, you need to ride a van to the loading dock, and from the loading dock, you need to take a boat ride. So, mahaba yung biyahe niya, but yung rate na to, it already includes the transport back and forth to the airport. And makikita nyo, they also have some treats like cookies, coffee, water, and meron silang mosquito repellent and reef safe sunblock. So yung bag doon, pwede nyo ding gamitin during your stay in the island. And etong TV, it's actually a smart TV. So pwede kayong manood ng YouTube or Netflix. And may working table din dito if you're working from Paradise. This is the highlight of the room, and it's the view of the ocean. So, it's fronting the Sunrise Villas, pero yung beach dito, sa side na to, it's not swimmable. So, yung Sunset Villas, doon kayo maliligo. Pero all in all, it's a very good room, and malaki talaga yung room na to. Sulit na sulit if you book during the Travel Fair Expos.